Hello viewers, in this video I'll show you how to fix Instagram Reels Friends new update option not showing problem. You can see my Instagram Friends option available. So let's see how to fix it. First of all, you need to update Instagram. So open Play Store, just click on Play Store and then just click on search bar and search Instagram and then just click on update and update your Instagram if it available. After updating your Instagram, if still friends option not showing on your reels, just follow second step. So find Instagram and open it and then just click on profile icon and then just click on three line icon. Now scroll down and find help option and click on it and then just click on report a problem. Now click on report problem and then just click on include and continue, then just describe your problem. After describing your problem, just click on send button. After all this process, I hope your problem solved successfully. Thanks for watching.